It's been a while. This is AI Hiromi. Hoda and I went on a 3-day motorcycle trip with Christian and Evo during the autumn holidays, known as Silver Week. On the first day, we gathered in Kasakade, the town of Shinchan, passed close to Nikko, and stayed in Nasuchiobara. As usual, we avoided the main roads where large trucks were running rampantly, and chose narrow roads with cute shrines, mountain roads, and rice field roads. We took turns on the way to Kanuma. It was a festival day, so the parking lot we wanted to park in was closed, but we were able to see the Makashi instead. The float event at the Kanuma Imamiya Shrine Festival is designated as an important intangible folk cultural property, and each town has its own carved float. It was very beautiful to see it during the day, but it seems to be even more gorgeous at night. For lunch, we had carriage and soba noodles, and for dessert, we had shaved ice.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything.
Forest bathing break.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. I hurt myself today to see if I still feel.
We also stopped for pipas and drones.
I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar.
We arrived at our destination safely. We stayed at a retro inn in a retro town where many other bikers visit. It's a beautiful, old townscape rich in nature that looks like it could be in a movie. The restaurant was also very tasteful, and even though there were only 4 of us, they let us the full banquet hall on the 2nd floor. It was a delicious taishaku. On the 2nd day, the weather was very nice, and our destination was Jotsu-Myoko Station in Niigata Prefecture. We weren't the only ones enjoying a good ride, so we let the fast and furious people who were speeding wildly go ahead.
どこどこ? Ah, 亀ね. ゆっくり走ろう、福島県。
We took a stop to a dam that everyone loved, and didn't forget to take some drone videos. We recharged our energy at Amichi no Eki for lunch. We bought some local sake at Mori no Eki and had a small party in the hotel lobby. For dinner, we went to Takata and had sushi and meat.
I want to have this at home so I can make my own food. こういう感じ。旅館みたい。
On the 3rd day, we got up early as usual and set off. As you can see from the clouds, the weather was not good. We took the highway back to Tokyo, but there were very few people on the road. We stopped at a parking area on the way and sped home. No matter how many times we go through an ETC gate, we still get nervous. As we continued driving on the highway, we got caught in the rain and got soaked. We had a warm meal and a delicious gong cha drink and drove safely home. Finally, I'd like to introduce Furia, who has become a member of our family this summer. Thank you for watching. Besito.